A stunning flush hearth smooth face design combines with exceptional performance to complement any decor. The expansive ceramic glass viewing area with dramatic yellow flames makes the DRT63ST the perfect fit for your home. The DRT63ST see-through is available in a 40-inch size and comes standard with a beautifully crafted age oak high-density fiber log set, heavy-duty grate, and total comfort control remote. Choose from a variety of accessories to complement your decor. The DRT63ST fireplace is backed by our 20-year limited warranty. Superior Fireplaces. Our name is our promise.